Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back. My name is Anya and today we're going to be making a glass cleaning spray and a linen spray. So as you already know, I've been trying to limit the exposure of the things in my home to toxic products, things that have a lot of fragrance, things that have stuff that could disrupt our hormones. So I have decided to go ahead and make these products myself with ingredients that I have around the house, and I know exactly what's going in them and I don't have to fear about what other synthetic chemicals might be included. First, we're going to be making the glass cleaner, and for the glass cleaner I picked up one of these 16-ounce spray bottles. I bought this in Amazon. I will link it down in the description box as well. For the glass cleaner recipe that we're going to be following, I got all of the ingredients here. So we're going to be using some Thieves Household Cleaner, we're going to be using some Lavender Essential Oil, we're going to be using some distilled white vinegar, and the rest is going to be water. For the linen spray, I picked up some witch hazel. I'm also going to incorporate lavender essential oil. I've heard that this one is a great starter one. I'm not mixing it with anything because I want to start off really basic and build myself up from there. I don't want to overwhelm myself with, you know, what's going on in my bed sheets. I've never tried this before. I actually have never sprayed linen spray at all. It just sounds like a really good idea. So let's get started. For the glass cleaner, I'm going to be using 1 capful of Thieves Household Cleaner. I'm also going to incorporate 3 drops of lemon essential oils and half a teaspoon of white distilled vinegar. I am using a 16-ounce spray bottle and I am filling it with water all the way to the top. Let's get started on the linen spray. For the linen spray, I will be doing 5 to 6 drops of lavender essential oils. I'm going to be adding 1/4 of a teaspoon of witch hazel and filling up the rest of the way with room temperature water. So that was my glass cleaner and linen spray. So what about you? Do you have any DIY must-haves in your household? Please share them with me in the comment section below. I would love to try them out. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye!